welcome back to my channel. We are doing another spring set. So this one's going to be pastel blue with some glitter, some line art, as well as rhinestones. So you guys already know blue is my favorite color, so we had to do a blue spring set. So this one, I think it's called Aquamarine, I think. And then you guys will see me pick up a bead of blue acrylic, place that on the nail. So this finger is going to be completely blue. Next, we're going to go in with our accent nail. So this is our pinky. So you saw me pick up a bead of blue acrylic. I'm going to place that just in the cuticle area because then this is going to be our color block nail. So I'm going to go in with some glitter. The glitter is going to be in the middle, and then the tip of the nail is going to be back to the blue acrylic. You guys will see what I mean. So to straighten the line, you can use an X-Acto knife. I just didn't have one, so I was using my brush to make the line as straight as I possibly could. But yes, you can use an X-Acto knife. You can also use, I just thought of it, you could also use like a tip, a false nail as well to make the line straight. So that's also an option. Next, we're going to apply blue glitter. So I lay down some clear acrylic so the glitter can stick into it because I just have a glitter container. And you guys will see I'm going to try and make the glitter just stay in one section. So the section that it's in right now. And I'm just going to keep adding a little more glitter on top to give it the shade that I'm looking for because it was very sheer at first. So you'll see me go in with a second layer of glitter just to give it that deeper blue that I was looking for. So next we are going to go in with blue acrylic again. So we're going to fill in the rest of the tip. The rest of the nail is going to be our blue acrylic. So you guys can just go ahead and watch me do that. I absolutely love what this looks like. So I did the same steps on our index finger as well. Next, we're going to encapsulate. So you see me pick up a bead of clear acrylic, place that on the middle finger, and I slowly work the acrylic down. The reason we encapsulate is because clear acrylic is stronger and it provides structure that colored acrylics don't, because the colored acrylics are pigmented, so they're not pure. So they lose their strength. So that's why we go in and we encapsulate, as well as if you do have a design, like I have glitter here, we want to protect that, so we encapsulate as well. Next, we're going in with our A file. So you see me filing the cuticle and just sealing it in so that we don't have any hand creams or lotions, any moisture getting under the nail and causing lifting, because we don't want that. And then you'll see me going in and straightening the tip, as well as filing under the nail to get any acrylic that went under there, as well as smoothing the surface of the nail. So next we're going to go in with our hand file. I like using the hand file because it crispens up the nails. I feel I have more control with it. So I keep my e-file for mainly my cuticle work, as well as filing under the nail quickly and then just doing my surface. Next, we're going to buff the nails. We do go in with a buffer because our e-file and hand file leave scratches or ridges on the nail, and our buffer just completely smooths that out. Next, we're going to clean our nails with some alcohol and a lint-free wipe, and then just wipe them down. Make sure to wipe the top as well as under the nail as well, because dust does get under there when we are filing. Next is our design time. You're going to see me applying matte top coat on the middle finger, and then we're going to cure for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to go in with this Model 1's light blue color, number 0835. I'm going to put that on the palette, and then we are going to create some line art. Alright, so for the line art, you are going to see me using a dotting tool because we're going to make some flowers. So I'm going to use the dotting tool to make the bud or the middle part of the flower. And then I'll go in with the dotting tool as well to make our petals around the flower. Then we're going to go in with our liner brush and actually draw our petals. So I did keep the speed of me drawing the flowers exactly the way it was when I actually did it. So it's not speeded up at all. It's the exact speed that I used to make my petals. So you guys can just go ahead and watch that, and then I will speed it up for the rest of the petals as well, because it's the exact same process. So this is the easiest way to draw flowers. I saw someone do this on Instagram, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is amazing, because I used to struggle before with making flowers. So I really love this. They're very easy, sort of almost like a daisy, I think, or the love me not flower. But yes, this is the best and the easiest, fastest way to get them done. So next, I wasn't really sure what to do on the ring finger. I didn't want to draw flowers again, so I went in with a diagonal line. I think it's called a V French or half French. I'm not sure, but so you guys are going to see me draw the line, and then I'm going to fill in the bottom part from the line towards the tip of the nail. So that part's going to be filled in blue with the polish. Next, we are going to go in with our top coat. So for now, we are only going to top coat our index finger as well as our pinky and cure them both for 60 seconds. So next it's bling time. So I'm gonna go in with bling gel in the middle of our flower, like on our buds, and then we are going to apply rhinestones. So the rhinestones are gonna be the middle part of our flower, just to add some like bling to our nails. And then I'm also gonna add like a couple rhinestones just like randomly on the nail, just to sort of add more bling. And then I wanted to also have some bling on the ring finger, but I wasn't exactly sure where to put the bling. So then I thought, you know what, I can put it where we have our diagonal line, just to sort of make it look like it's outlining our line, if that makes sense. So you guys will just see me pick up different sizes of bling. Next, we're gonna go in with matte top coat. So I'm just applying the top coat on our flower nail and just applying it around our bling stones because I don't want to have it on the stones. Next, we're going to apply our cuticle oil all around our cuticle and massage it into the cuticle as well as down the finger as well. And next, our final looks. I'm obsessed with these nails. I love it. Blue is my favorite color. Anything blue makes me happy. So these top favorite. I love them. They're also very simple to do and they are spring vibes. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys love the nails as much as I do, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.